Check out my newest VoxBox. I got influencer, the DevaCurl wave maker, and the DevaCurl plumping primer. My hair had been kind of dry and dull, and my curls could use a little bit of extra hydration. So I tried this. Washed my hair as I normally would. Took my hair down, brushed it out really good, and then I began to add the Deva wave maker. Focused my main attention mid-length to the ends of my hair. Made my curls even more gorgeous than before. The plumping primer is really good too. It's lightweight and give my hair excellent healthy looking curls. It primes with a boost of fullness, moisture, and shine. A little bit goes a long ways. The scent is really good.